Hi, Mighty Mustangs. Welcome to the new year. Welcome to the 2021-2022 fourth grade open house. We're so excited to meet all of you. Just want to let you know once again that we're so excited to meet you all and we can't wait for this year. We know it's going to be an amazing year. Fourth grade is a departmentalized team. What that means is that students will have two teachers. You will have one teacher for ELA and social studies. That will be one teacher. And then you will have one teacher that teaches you math and science. Miss Abdulrahman and Miss Keller are making up one team, and Mrs. Bush and Miss Ford will make up the other team. I'll go ahead and start by introducing myself. I'm Miss Abdulrahman, and I will be Team Math and Science this year. This is my third year as a Mighty Mustang, and I can't wait to start this year off.
And I'm Mrs. Keller. I'm partnered with Miss Abdulrahman, and I will be doing ELA and social studies. This is my first year at Long Creek, and I'm so excited to be here. I've taught before, but I'm super excited to see all the wonderful things that Long Creek has to offer.
Hello, I am Mrs. Bush. This is my third year at Long Creek. I am super excited to start a new year with some new fourth graders. I am going to be teaching ELA and social studies, and my partner teacher is Miss Ford.
And this is Miss Ford. She wishes she could be with us right now, but she is so happy to meet everybody in person very shortly, and she will be Team Math and Science.
All right, so some things to keep in mind as we're starting up a new school year. The bell schedule is 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. The tardy bell will ring each morning at 8 a.m. If students arrive on or after 8 a.m., they need to be walked in by an adult and signed in at the front office before they can go into their classrooms. And students can start entering the building to go to their classrooms at 7:30 a.m. As for what they're bringing with them, the fourth grade supply list is listed on the Long Creek website. If you want to pause the video and take a look at the list, we also have it posted here for you to look at as well. And there is the link. There will be, the presentation will be linked on the website as well for you to take a look at. And then Long Creek is no longer requires uniform dress code. And so with that comes along some new expectations for student dress. And so again, we have these listed for you. So you can pause and take a look, and then additional information is available on the website for you as well.
All right, so in regard to masks this coming school year, they are required indoors by all students, staff, and guests in a CMS facility. As you can see, face coverings are required to be worn on the buses or other transportation vehicles, and face coverings are not required outdoors, but may be worn if individuals are more comfortable doing so. In that being said, we are still observing the social distancing. So whether you have your mask on or not, please make sure we are social distancing. All right, so something else that is super duper important, although we love our students so much, we want to make sure they get home safely. So with that being said, here is a link to fill out to let us know how your child will be getting home from school. Okay. And of course, if anything changes to their transportation methods, please send a written confirmation to the Long Creek Transportation email that is here listed. And also notify your child's teacher. All right, here is a site that pretty much just lets you know that there are some important back to school forms that will need to be completed. They'll get a packet of information, of course, those first couple of days of school, but there are also the virtual forms you can fill out going to this link.
That is all that we have for you for today. Once again, we are so excited to meet you all. At the bottom of this presentation, you will find a link for the clickable PowerPoint that you can go through and click the link to those different websites. Please make sure you click the link to the bus transportation so we know how your child is getting home on day one. With that said, welcome back, and we're excited to meet you and get started with this new year. Bye.